Now, today we will study children rational number, the decimal representation. That is, representation of rational number as decimals. You can see rational numbers are of two types, terminating decimals or non-terminating recurring decimals. Rational number can be written in the form of P upon Q, where Q is not equal to 0. So, the terminating and non-terminating recurring decimal. Now, here we are taking several rational numbers like 5 by 2, 17 by 5, 8 by 15, 9 by 20, 17 by 6 and 11 by 21. Now with these rational numbers, the different kind of rational number, we will find out whether they are terminating or non-terminating recurring decimal. Now the very simple thing, first of all all the rational number should be in the simplest form. Okay, if it is not, you just make it in the simplest form. Then we will write them in a decimal form. Okay, how do we write them in the decimal form? By doing divide, we will write them in the decimal form. Then the next column we will make is form. Form means we have to write whether it is terminating or whether it is non-terminating recurring. So 5 by 2 can be written as 2.5. And if it is completely divided, so we will write T for terminating. 17 by 5 can be written as 3.4 terminating. 8 by 15 is 0.533333, so on. So it is non-terminating recurring decimal. Next is 8 by 20. So when you divide, you get 0.45. It is 9 by 20. When you divide it, you get 0.45, completely divisible. So it is written as terminating, T for terminating decimal. Next is 17 by 6 and 11 by 21. When you divide 17 by 6, you get the decimal 2.83333 and so on. It is written as non-terminating repeating or recurring decimal. Next is 11 by 21. It will give you 0.52343804, and the same is repeated. So you will write it as non-terminating repeated or recurring decimal. Understand? So in form we will write whether it is terminating or whether it is non-terminating. Now another way I am explaining with the help of denominator. See, in the fourth column it is written denominator with blue color. So denominator means here the denominator is 2. Here the denominator is 5. Next denominator is 15, and when you write its factor, it will give you 3 into 5. 3 5s are 15. Next is 20. Its factors will be 2 into 2, that is 2 square into 5. 6, its factor will be 2 into 3. 21, its factors are 3 into 7. 3 7s are 21. We had written prime factors only. Now what important thing is to be calculated here is, if the denominators of the rational numbers are either 2 or 5, or if you take out their factors, and if it is 2 or 5 or both, so those will be called as terminating decimal, and the rest will be called as non-terminating recurring decimal. Like that is 3 into 5. So here you have 3. 2 into 3, 3. Then 3 to 7, 3. So that they will be called as non